A lot of people think automation in their process will be far too expensive. Now, mind you, if you were to take your existing entire process and womb to tomb, start to finish, completely automate every facet of it, yeah, it will probably take a bit of time and a bit of money. But we never suggest that you do that. What we suggest is that you look at your existing process and you find the bottlenecks and the pain points, and you start to mechanize and automate those. Find areas that take the most work, that have the greatest waste and losses, that require the most repeatability or the most accuracy, etc. Your pain points, the sticking points. We can help you identify those sticking points and identify ways to automate and mechanize those individual spots in your process that will allow you to improve your bottom line, improve your throughput, improve your quality control, reduce risks, hazards, and waste, and slowly automate your system until maybe one day everything is automated. Maybe not. We do what works best for you. Dynamic machine design, helping you find a solution that you need.